Hello viewers, today I'll show you a very special Anglo-Indian festive recipe from the times of the Raj called the Anglo-Indian lobster thermidor. A variation of this recipe is called the Chingdi Machir Chine Kebab, where the lobster is sealed and deep fried. Here I have taken one cooked dressed lobster, which is around 600 grams. I have bought it from the fishmongers here in the UK, and it is filled with lobster meat as well as big chunks of claw meat, lobster claw meat, as you can see. It also has a lobster thermidor sauce. I'll also need 3 to 4 diced shallots and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. The spices I'll be using are 1 teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon each of clove, allspice, cinnamon, green cardamom powders, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, and 1 black cardamom seed powdered without its skin. 3 tablespoons of whipped yogurt. Let's begin by putting the lobster meat in a bowl. Do this carefully. You need to keep the shell intact. So here is the empty lobster shell which we are going to keep. Chop up the big chunks of lobster claw meat into smaller pieces like I'm doing here and put them in a bowl. Heat some ghee or clarified butter in a large frying pan and then fry the diced shallots in it for 1 to 2 minutes. And then add the ginger garlic paste into the pan, followed by all the spice powders, and fry them together, and then add the yogurt into the pan and mix it in well. Now it's time to add the cooked lobster meat into the pan and fry for a minute. Then add salt if it's needed and according to your taste. I'm also adding the thermidor sauce which came with the lobster, but this is an optional ingredient. Mix it in. And now our lobster mix is ready. Now we are going to stuff our lobster shells with the lobster mix. Use a spoon to put the mix in the shells. Make sure you do it evenly. Press it down into the shell. And that's our lobster stuffed and ready for the oven. Now put the lobsters under a hot grill for 8 to 10 minutes till they brown up nicely. After 10 minutes, take your tray out, and there you go. A beautiful and delicious Anglo-Indian lobster thermidor is ready to be served. Serve the lobster on a bed of lettuce. Add some chopped cherry tomatoes. Sprinkle some lettuce on top of the lobsters. And to pretty things up, Anglo-Indian lobster thermidor was a very posh and delicious lobster recipe that featured in the menus of high-class restaurants of British India. It was a signature dish of many Calcutta clubs and restaurants and was designed to impress your guests. Give it a try and subscribe to my channel for more. Enjoy!